What is up, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Salim. Welcome to SA Tech Deals. Today I'm unboxing and reviewing the Redragon Vara mechanical keyboard. So let's unbox this keyboard. In the box, you will find a black keyboard with a user manual and a nifty key puller. The Vara is made of aluminium and heavy duty ABS. You can easily remove the keycaps from the custom mechanical switches, which is equivalent to Cherry MX green switches. Holding down the F-in button while tapping the scroll lock button turns the backlight on and off. The F-in button plus the home button activates the breathing effect. Sadly, this is the only effect this keyboard has. The only thing you can do is increase and decrease the breathing effect. The Vara allows you to increase and decrease the backlight brightness. The Vara K551 comes with 12 built-in multimedia keys. The Vara is a good gaming keyboard. The keystrokes has a short actuation point. I don't find my fingers tired after a long gaming session, but your experience might vary. The Vara provides an excellent user experience, especially when typing. The only thing is it can be a bit loud. These are my pros for this gaming keyboard: solid build quality, affordable, anti-ghosting technology, as well as good for gaming. My cons for this keyboard is no USB pass-through, the loud switches, especially typing at night, and only one LED effect. To be honest, I can deal without the USB pass-through as well as the LED effects. I just wish the switches was a bit softer. If you are from South Africa, you can pick this keyboard up at Woodware, Rebel Tech, as well as Eve Tech. At the time of recording, this keyboard was going from between 700 Rand and 800 Rand. You can also pick this keyboard up from Amazon as well as Newegg, although Amazon's price is much cheaper. I will put all the links down below. Let me know what you think of this keyboard, and if you have one, what has your experience been thus far? If you liked the video, please hit that like button. This is SA Tech Deals. Until next time, signing out. Bye for now.